Alright, my people, welcome back. Yeah, so now morning you see what we do. I do a back splash here. Yeah, it's only like a subway time, same way.
I want to go 20 years. I was here already. Huh? I was here already now.
90.
I knew for the first time you come here.
Yeah, subway time.
Right?
Yeah, I just hope they don't.
Yeah, so this is how we are doing with now morning.
No, man, you have royalty, man. You have royalty that company, man.
I come here and know.
Yeah, man, I remember you just go, man. You could editor, I do your whole job.
Yeah, right now the window.
So look at that video.
Yeah, so we come all the way.
Yo!
Tell me truth. Say yes or yes.
Yeah, we have been here so for the same way.
Yeah? No, back there. No. The back of the pretty one.
Yeah, it's fucking. You was busy too?
Yeah.
That fucking housewife, man.
Yes, my people, so start the back splash and we are going on. Yeah, right down the line where I come.
Whatever you want,
Alright, my people, so see it here. I just want to start from the back splash. Yeah, so I run down the line.
and then
Yeah, so let me see some like a small subway tile. Yeah.
you know that I'm going to just curiosity to just drive on the drive out of the not really.
Yeah, so back splash up and running. Nice little subway tile then. So we take time of one people. Yeah, so let me say we're going all the way in the window. Yeah. Just to the height of the cabinet, right around. Once you do the cuttings, see him there. Tile up and running. Yeah. I've cut out the little piece there another punsy. Pan cabinet.
Tomorrow.
So you want five?
Eh?
Oh, you want to defend. Come and get a whole one up there, so.
What I want another this one.
I love it that shit, but I want to have too much things. Get your receipt there.
Yes, my people, so back splash almost done you now. Yeah, we are going to see a late time.
When back splash done, I was asleep.
Yeah, so we just basically have a window this so if you drop in right now. Yeah, so
Touch road all night.
nice and clean.
Beach all night.
So it's a punsy there.
You know, I spot.
Yeah, so the punsy are going to lay some tile. Alright, my people. So there, funny. Let's see if we can finish up the box flasher.
No, so I'll get to that. Come on, I'll get to that. The thing that I have to make. That means I'm going to plan here.
That thing now.
Get rid of them,
The
bro.
man goes like a bucking for and get it there.
When I have it for them, you can't do nothing, man. You can't do nothing.
And I mean, man, I laugh. I usually check me.
I never check me. You tell me now.
Yeah, so as I say, we'll try see if we can finish up the window there now, drop in the window there. Yeah. We have some little piece on our cabinet that's what we put in.
Eh?
That's how I get to them. I don't strip for that now. Trim there.
And that's only for trim there.
Why trim that? Oh.
So you know, see me not cut trim this morning, Kunsi. You know, so me not
The
cut
only
that
thing I
piece there.
smaller trim I'm going to use, man.
No, man.
For me, I'm harder trim, thing I smaller trim I'm going to use.
They are already, so we have to just use up it.
Some boy dying to them out early, you know, that man go catch fish in that.
Kunsi. You put down fish over here.
Come
The man pencil now.
Oh,
they ask him if you put them fish over here. Fish is for the came on the hands.
Kunsi, I'm going to put no name because you can't judge the space.
Someone take the thing. You take out the back.
So I'm say we take time, I go on with people, so, you know, up and running. Can knock out the pretty box splasher. Tile nice and sweet. This is the one look like you want to arena sauce, Punsi. Punsi. You say tile me over there long look like you want them to arena sauce.
Oh.
I'm gonna say them bigger.
What come to side thing there?
Green on them.
Captain, that's all. And you know, say same thing then opening sitting there. Over we don't miss the name again, Donovan.
Yeah, that.
Don't know what we did work the time, man.
Yes, Captain.
When, no, man. Edgewater, you're saying.
Arena sauce, man.
Renaissance, yeah. Upstairs.
Yeah.
Where Juni do a bathroom. Juni do a bathroom, actually the same thing like that.
I mean, and Dennis can go to that one there.
You know, we go on our shores, that's all.
We know
Yeah, that about shores.
Yeah. Don't do shores, that's all.
Alright, all got them sitting there.
South Peak.
Yes, that's all. Lie.
That's the key now, someone.
I say quick away around about time, you know. Yeah, that's all now.
Punsi. Look, come down with your hand. Straight down. No, straight down. Down like a more. Yeah, not that. Alright. Hold on, you know, man. No. In next style. No, yeah. Drop out, take out that space of there. No. You want a bottom put here. I don't know if that tile is dry. Show me down. No man, it's good man.
Good man.
You good there, so.
Then me a watch.
Some bigger than some, you know, so that I think.
Me a watch.
So more time I have just drop his spacer.
And then I want to say some bigger and some, but in they have no say no to put the sitting there. So think time there. You know when blow out the tax money.
Yes, my people, so as I said, the box splash look nice. Yeah, man. Tile and sweet.
Once you look, that's just in the hand here.
Look at what? You know some
Here, here.
You know some hand them occupy. And me here occupy too.
You say you high occupy.
Yeah.
If you cut out a little two piece and this up for me, you know.
Welcome to the shot.
See, pan the stove this up. Here, Punsi. If you cut out the two little piece and I cabinet this up for me.
Now watch your shot. You know what to cut out on your run, guys.
Yes, cut a man.
Yeah. Like the people that want to say, I cut a man.
Yeah. See we have boss here.
The boss lap? No, the boss here. The boss here, the boss here. The boss here.
Oh
The
gosh.
boss here, Tata.
Yes, my people. Alright, my people, so see it now. The box splash done. Yeah. Nice and sweet. Yeah, so.
Yo.
We're not going to doggy from what's up.
Yeah. Finish up now. Just need to clean up and do some grouting. Yeah, then I see the beauty of it. Yes, for people. So see it, I'm a boss Punsi, you know. Yeah. Watch Punsi handiwork. Look in the sun. Punsi tile in the sun, you know. I'm telling you, I can't tile long time, you know, but you know, I just say Punsi a big tiler still, you know. Yeah, man.
Yeah, I want to do
But
like share
he
and
just not
subscribe
like it.
on the thing. You see, how you do the thing, you know, that a Donovan, you don't know.
Yeah.
Same with the knife. So he would stay in about. We have said like, share and subscribe. So I say, do the thing, man. So I say, tell a friend, and everybody will.
I better do this.
Alright, sir. Let's have respect to all my liars.
Minister, respect to you.
Friend and family. You see me?
Yeah, okay.
Alright, sir.
You must have find contact.
So as me say, some man who don't like the tiling work, you know, so yeah, we just low him. But I want brother with handy. Yeah, man. See another one, the Donovan. Them man, they are jack of all trade. Yeah, man. Anything you give them, yeah. Punsi and Donovan. If you want a house bill, check them. If your engine won't drop, see him the Donovan, check him. Yeah. So that them on the handy. Yeah, man. So as I say, we finish up here now. And we just need to grow it up. Yeah, so as I say, backsplash done, my people. Yeah. So the next move I know is clean up and growth. Yeah. You can see the wave in the tile, them out them pretty.
Punch is full in the area.
What?
This full.
Look on them.
Yeah.
Yeah, that type pattern my tile. See it?
And me say, we see it on that all, man.
Yeah, man. So that has the design on the tile.
Yeah, no way.
Punsi, come here. Look on the design on the tile. You know, and you can see it with the naked with the eye.
True, you know. But like, yes.
So yes, my people, as we say, we just need to clean up and growth. Yeah. Alright, my people, so right along the box splash up and growth up. Yes, as you can see. Yeah, we're gonna go and draw some growth on it. Yeah, clean up.
No, sir, in there with the man. No.
Yeah, done some growth in. As soon as we're done now, and clean up. Let's see where I go on.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice and clean.
You better believe it. Fish there right as a man.
So just got to grow it and I go and find it now.
Where we go? Eh? Eh? Wah, yang big back we haven't got no man, yang big back. Alang, jangan kasih rasa. Kami nanti mesti saya pun kami dulu.
Yeah, so yeah, today. Grow it up right on the cabinet.
The white took a rope line, and the white took a rope, no, the green took in valve again. That's the white, the green took too. Yeah. Yeah, two minutes did know film one wine shirt, 2 minutes, 2 minutes did but I fought on it.
Alright, my feet is a backsplash done. Clean up, grow. Yeah, so this is how it look like now. Yeah, so as you can see, grow it and clean up. Alright, for the window. Yeah. Yeah, so basically looking good. Yeah, white growth, nice and clean. Yeah, so as we say, everything done. Yeah, man, looking good. So if you watch the video to this far, my people, and subscribe as yet, subscribe to the channel, let the channel to grow, you know. Turn on your post notification bell, as you know every time I drop a new video, you're the first one to get it. Yeah, so like, share and subscribe, my people. Yeah, so as we say, the backsplash done, grow it up, clean and pretty. Yeah man, so right, that's how the fridge I could go now, so you know. Once the fridge plug in, push in back, yeah, you will see that little part there. So it will look like a tile gone straight through. You know, so basically the fridge just go hide it. Just one little part of it you will see. But it will look like a tile gone straight through, you know. Yeah. So as I say, we done growth, clean up. You know, clean and pretty. Yeah man, looking really good. Nice piece of hard work. Yeah man, everything's sweet, my people. Yeah man, nice and sweet. As you can see the beauty of it. Yeah, so them tile has some little pattern tile and some little, you know, the smooth type of tile. Yeah. So we all look on right and now just the pattern, the waviness of the tile. Yeah, but you have to depend on certain angle to really see it. Yeah, so when I over here, so now I look on it, you know the pattern show. Yes, my people. So it's a nice and clean job, you know. Another good job.
the next door neighbor. Come in, come in.